right, Goldie, HRH Liz III, settle your royal fluff and your golden gleam. I've got a tale for you today that's not about the usual tuna troubles or the mystery of the red dot. Oh no, this is about our very own Molly. She's gone on a grand adventure, over the Rainbow Bridge, no less. But wipe those dramatic teardrops away, because this isn't a sad meow fest. This is all about happy tail wags and joyful anticipation, waiting for Jem and Camillo. So, paws up, ears perked, and get ready for her anthem. Molly's Whisker-Kissed Farewell. Es una canción muy alegre sobre nuestra Molly. Disfruten.
My dearest Jem, my sweet Camillo too, a perfect life I shared with only you. In Canary Wharf, my kingdom bright and tall, I ruled the roost and answered every call of the dinner bell, of course. Now the Rainbow Bridge, it calls my name, you see. A shimmering path, a place for cats like me. No more chasing sunbeams, no more naps so deep. Just endless fields where furry angels lead. Remember scratching posts, I rarely used them. The sofa's arm felt much less abused. And midnight zoomies through the hallway long, a silent opera, my own little song. But did you ever truly understand the zoom? Now the Rainbow Bridge, it calls my name, you see. A shimmering path, a place for cats like me. No more chasing sunbeams, no more naps so deep. Just endless fields where furry angels lead. I'll miss the head nuzzles, the gentle soft caress, the way you'd worry when I made a royal mess. But no, I'm healthy now, with purrs anew, and dreaming of the mischief I once did with you, especially that time with the curtain. Now the Rainbow Bridge, it calls my name, you see. A shimmering path, a place for cats like me. No more chasing sunbeams, no more naps so deep. Just endless fields where furry angels leap. So don't you worry, wipe away that tear. I'll wait for you, my dears, I'll always be right near. Just listen close for a whisker-kiss goodbye from your sweet Molly beneath the rainbow sky. And maybe send some dream treats my way.
See? Told you it was all purrs and no tears? Our Molly's just chilling, living her best afterlife. Probably batting at sunbeams and dreaming of future cuddles with Jem and Camillo. She's got the best seat in the house, I tell you. So, next time you think of Molly, remember her happy trot to the Rainbow Bridge and those whisker-kissed farewells. She's waiting with joy. Y ahora, si me disculpan, todo este hablar me ha dado mucha hambre. Time for a strategic nap, and perhaps a pequeño snack. Meow.